The artifact you are looking at is Chusa Kim Jeong-Hui's Gyoji. Gyoji refers to a document through which the king issues orders or grants official positions, titles, land, slaves, and other privileges to his subjects during the Joseon dynasty. The characters Gyoji were placed on the first line of this type of document to indicate that it was a direct command from the king. It is one of Korea's representative historical documents and symbolizes the king's authority over his subjects. This Gyoji was issued by King Sunjo to Kim Jeong-Hui in 1823, the 23rd year of his reign, measuring 391.9 centimeters in width and 115.5 centimeters in height. It is among the largest surviving Gyoji in Korea. Looking at the far right of the document, you can see the word Gyoji on the first line, and the document consists of a total of 25 lines. The key content of this Gyoji is the official appointment of Kim Jeong-Hui to a government position. If you look at the 24th line, which is the second line from the left, you will see the Chinese characters for Gyeonggak and Daegyo written one after another from the beginning of the line. You can also see the royal seal, Jeoncheol-jibo, stamped in 13 different places on the document. This particular seal was a royal seal used exclusively on Gyoji, issued to Gyeonggak officials. This reveals that Kim Jeong-Hui was appointed as Daegyo of the Gyeonggak. The position of Daegyo was first established in 1776 when King Jeongjo ascended to the throne and the Gyeonggak was founded. One civil official of the senior 7th to senior 9th ranks was selected for this position. As a key official of the Gyeonggak, the Daegyo served as the deputy in charge of practical affairs, overseeing manuscripts, calligraphic works, paintings, and books of previous kings. Unlike other Gyoji, this document contains text personally composed by King Sunjo, found between lines 2 and 5. This text praises the achievements of his father, King Jeongjo, and urges his subjects to maintain righteous conduct. If you look at the character Wang at the top of the second line, you can see that it is raised one space above the other characters. This reflects the practice of Daedu, in which characters referring to the king or the royal family were written higher than the surrounding text as a sign of respect. This formatting method, Daedu, was expressed either by placing the line with the character higher than the surrounding lines or by using ganja, a technique in which an empty space was left above the character. Because the character Wang represents King Sunjo himself, it was written one space higher. Similarly, the term Yongo, appearing 5th in the second line, refers to King Sunjo's father, King Jeongjo, which is why an empty space was left above it. Through this, we can observe how people of the past conveyed their respect and honor for the king, even through the very format of the document. While Gyoji are important documents that demonstrate the scope, influence, and manifestation of royal authority during the Joseon dynasty, those from the mid-Joseon period onward remain scattered across various families, making systematic research difficult. In this regard, Chusa Kim Jeong-Hui's Gyoji serves as an invaluable resource for studying Gyoji from the mid-Joseon period onward. If you would like to read a full translation of the Gyoji, please check the display panel in front of you.